Okay, right now we are in 4,330 meter height, and then we can see Gosai Kunda over there. Gosai Kunda, this is the religious place for Hinduism. And the end of June, there is a festival running here. The organizing committee of the national park, they are providing security for the local people, and then many Hindu people from all over Nepal and then in India, and many pilgrims, they are traveling here. At that time there is concert programs, all the singing, dancing programs is running 1 week. And then you can see this is Bhairav Kunda. Bhairav is one of the god of Hinduism, so he used to live here, used to drink the water from here when he was fight with the demon, and then it's called Bhairav Kunda. Kunda is like Pokhari, you know, Pokhari is like pond, but it's in the high of the mountain, the source of water only from the snow. Then we can see down there, this is Saraswati Kunda, it's down there. Saraswati is the god of education in Hinduism, and then she used to meditation here. And then why we have a good meditation, and then every student, they want to be brave professional, they have to study in quiet like a meditation, they will perfectly get in professional. So that's why we believe Saraswati is education god of Hinduism. We have festival also. So all these festival running in Gosai Kunda with the according to the goddess, like Shiva, Parvati. Shiva is the brave god, which is destroyer and creator, and this area is promoted with the Shiva because he's destroyer and creator. He creates all this pond. So this is one of the best religious place. And then after Gosai Kunda, all the way through the peaks, Surya Peak, and then other side with the two mountains, gorges. This is called Lauri Vinayak Pass, which is 4,610 meter height. And then after pass, we can do Helambu treks in other side. Another to go to Kathmandu. It will take like 4 days from there to reach in Kathmandu. It's the great amazing treks. You can imagine with the landscape. And then in snowing time, January, February, it is little bit scary, the tracks, but we have to take it very slowly and carefully. Look at the nice view. How is it? This is stunning views. Everybody need to visit once in life. It will give more happiness for the lives.
Thank you, Chandra.
Amazing.
Thank you,
Welcome,
Chandra.
guys.